Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Flights Assistance. Have you ever arrived at the airport only to realize your suitcase is overweight, your charger is buried at the bottom, or your favorite shirt is completely wrinkled? Packing may seem simple, but doing it the right way can save you time, money, and stress. In today's video, I'll share 10 smart luggage packing tips that every traveler should know before flying. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last tip can help you avoid expensive baggage fees. Point 1. Choose the right suitcase. Before you pack anything, pick the right luggage. A lightweight suitcase with smooth wheels and a sturdy handle is easier to carry and helps you stay within airline weight limits. Choose a size that matches the length of your trip instead of automatically taking your biggest suitcase. Point 2. Make a packing checklist. Create a checklist before you start packing. Write down essentials like clothes, toiletries, travel documents, medications, electronics, chargers, and personal items. A checklist keeps you organized and reduces the chance of forgetting something important. Point 3. Roll your clothes instead of folding. Rolling your clothes saves space and helps reduce wrinkles. It also makes it easier to see everything in your suitcase without unpacking the entire bag. This simple trick gives you extra room for souvenirs or additional travel items. Point 4. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are one of the best travel accessories. Separate your clothes into different cubes. For example, shirts in one, pants in another, and undergarments in a third. This keeps your suitcase neat and helps you find items quickly during your trip. Point 5. Keep heavy items at the bottom. Place shoes, toiletry bags, and other heavy items near the wheels of your suitcase. This improves balance, protects delicate clothing, and makes the luggage easier to roll through the airport. Point 6. Pack liquids correctly. To prevent leaks, seal liquid containers tightly and place them inside a Ziploc bag. If you're carrying liquids in your cabin bag, make sure they follow your airline and airport security rules. This can save you time during security screening. Point 7. Keep important items in your carry-on. Never pack passports, wallets, medications, laptops, chargers, or valuable electronics in checked baggage. Always keep these items in your carry-on so they're easily accessible and protected if your checked luggage is delayed. Point 8. Leave some extra space. Don't fill your suitcase completely. Leaving a little extra space gives you room for shopping, souvenirs, or gifts during your trip. It also makes repacking much easier when it's time to return home. Point 9. Weigh your bag before leaving. Use a luggage scale or household scale to check your suitcase weight before heading to the airport. Staying within your airline's baggage allowance can help you avoid unexpected overweight baggage fees at check-in. Point 10. Label your luggage. Attach a luggage tag with your name, phone number, and email address. You can also add a colorful ribbon or unique luggage strap to help you identify your suitcase quickly at baggage claim. This simple step can make a huge difference if your luggage is misplaced. Conclusion. Packing smart isn't about taking more. It's about taking the right things in the right way. By following these 10 simple packing tips, you'll travel more comfortably, stay organized, and reduce the chances of paying extra baggage fees or forgetting important items. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, airline baggage guides, flight updates, and aviation content. Also, let us know in the comments. What's your best packing tip or travel hack? What's your best packing tip or travel hack? Thanks for watching, and have a safe and enjoyable flight.